The welding helmet is one of the most important components of personal protection equipment. Helmets protect your eyes and skin from sparks and ultraviolet and infrared rays emitted by the arc. There are a variety of options on the market. Here are a few tips to help you make a selection. First, do you want a passive shade or an auto-darkening helmet? Passive shade helmets are always dark. Auto-darkening helmets let you see through the lens, but once the arc is struck, the lens automatically darkens to protect your eyes from the bright arc. Then, consider the shade range of the lens. Lincoln Electric retail auto-darkening helmets have a shade range from 7 to 13 or 9 to 13. Use a lower setting when you don't need as much darkening, for grinding as an example. But for welding, adjust the shade level up to increase protection. Next, how fast do you want the auto-darkening lens to switch from light to dark? That's the fraction of a second it takes the lens to switch from light to dark when the arc is struck. And make sure the helmet you choose meets all industry-wide safety standards. All Lincoln Electric retail helmets meet these standards. You can see a wide selection of helmets by visiting the Welding Helmets and Accessories page at lincolnelectricretail.com.